Got a quick little update on the car here. It's still sitting here. But we got a lot done. So up front, got a lot in. Most of the brakes are all done. Got our tubular K-member in. Tubular control arms are in. All the front suspension. Everything's just sitting there right now. I gotta get some coilovers. And then that will be all done. Got the new coolant tank in. Most of the brake lines ran. A few of the brake lines broke, taking them out of the old car. So unfortunately I gotta make some repairs. But nothing major. But as far as the front, everything's pretty much almost ready to go to put the motor in. Made a lot of progress on the interior. I'm sure I've said it before, but the car's going competition orange. But I got the door jambs. Everything's all painted. Good to go. So when we do the actual car, I don't gotta worry about taping off the doors and everything. Trying to do all that. I wanted to get it done now. It actually came out pretty good. As far as the interior, passenger side's completely done. Dash is all in, carpet's in. All new speaker wires ran. Seats in. Unfortunately, we gotta keep the tan seats for right now because I ain't got any other seats. But all the back seats, all the trims, everything's in. Center console's just sitting there. My son wanted to see what it was gonna look like. I guess that's what he gets. The dash has all been completely repainted in the dark charcoal. You can see the difference. This is out of another car we bought. That still got to be completely stripped and then painted to match the dash. But the back quarter windows are in. We yesterday we got the fuel system all in. Everything's ran from front to back. We got new fuel pump, new fuel filter. The tank was completely cleaned out. Good to go. New fuel cap. Gotta have that, you know. So that's good to go. So next we got to take off the wrecked one. We got the rear suspension and the rest of the brake lines from the front to the back. That's it as far as over here. And then the drive shaft's coming out, the exhaust, dropping the transmission and pulling the motor. We had an accident. Ended up shattering the rear window, which sucks because it was good, fine, ready to go. So now we got to buy a front glass and a rear glass. But as far as the car, it looks the same. But the trunk in this, it's all together. Everything's in there, but now it's kind of a storage unit for parts we take off. But it's getting there. All the brakes that were on this car when we went and picked it up were so rusted and seized up. The car wouldn't even move. We actually dragged it. But this door's all done as well. Did these door jambs. Got my Motion Racework Cletus McFarlane steering wheel in. Does have the quick release. That's pretty cool. I love me my cleater. Put in white face gauges with like a eBay carbon fiber overlay. I think it came out pretty nice. Just trying to clean her up. You know, this is a 04. She's old. Do what you can to make her look nicer. Got the Cobra R hood. Still gotta pretty much do that entire thing. Sand it, prime it, test fit it. That's gonna be a lot of work for that. I gotta get a new, I don't know what they call these. Wiper motor cover. I gotta get a new one of those. I bought that on eBay for 40 bucks, and it said it was for a 99 to 04. I didn't really look at the pictures. It was a good deal, so I just bought it. It was in really good shape. And after getting it home and trying to put the cowl vent cover on, which is brand new, it didn't fit, and I couldn't figure out why. Apparently that's for the first SN95s, so 98 and older. And I guess the top edge there is different or something. It just doesn't fit. Doesn't allow the hood to sit. Doesn't let the cowl vents to sit down. So gotta get a new one. And I'm gonna put that one up for sale because it's brand new. Nothing wrong with it. But that's where we're at with this. Slowly but surely, it's getting there. This thing is pretty much just a motor and suspension now. And it's also our parts we don't need, want, storage unit. I can't wait for him to drag this thing out of here. But, yeah. It's finally getting warmer here in New York, so we've been getting out here a lot more. I haven't made a video or anything on this, but I don't want to brag. My girlfriend bought me a Father's Day present. My dream truck. It's raining out, so I'm not going out there. It's a 2014 Gen 1 Raptor. 6.2 liter. Oxford white. I love Oxford white trucks. I've had 2 other ones. Not the Raptors, though. Just Lariats. That thing is so fun to drive. Horrible gas mileage. Horrible. But fun to drive. And I don't even know if I made another video on this, but I also picked up another Mach 1. Another 04 orange. That one runs and drives. I got a fender on it that says GT. When I bought it, this fender was crushed in. I had another fender, so I threw it on. This baby runs, drives. It's on the road. That's gonna be painted here soon. Oh God. But yeah, that's just a little update of where we're at with the car. Not too much longer, it'll be on the road cruising. Gotta get some wheels, tires, front glass, back glass, and that's it. Yeah, so just a little bit more. She'll be back on the road. Hopefully we don't have another accident like we did last time. My son learned a valuable lesson. But hey, only cars, right? Obviously we can get more.